Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. If you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, digital marketing, you want to pay attention to this. This is a real bonus, not a PDF you'll never read or never use, okay? And look, this 48-hour upgrade bonus, you can't miss it this timer. Only for serious action takers who want to make big money now. You're an action taker, you want to make big money now, right? Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you will be rewarded with the next level of qualification. Join at the $500 level, get no upgrade. This is very important, okay? Join at the $1,500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. What does that mean? That means you can pay $1,500 plus a $199 admin fee, and you can make $3,500, $1,500, or even $500. And if somebody joins the $5,000 level or the $3,500 level and get qualified at the $5,000 level by taking advantage of this free bonus, then you will still get $3,500. That person comes from you. Okay? Even if you're not qualified at the 5,000, you can still make $3,500 or $1,500 level if you didn't take action. What? That $1,500 to $3,500 is a 233% ROI. Now, what is ROI? Is return on investment. Imagine paying only $16.99 and you can make $3,500, $1,500, or even $500. Now join the $3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. You don't get the products, you get the upgrade bonus, okay? That is a real bonus. That is worth right there over $2,000. And you imagine only paying that $1,500 level one time and make a $3,500 sale each month. Okay? That can pay a lot of bills. A lot of people don't even make $3,500 bring home. Okay, imagine making $3,500 and $1,500 each month, okay, every 2 weeks. And you made $5,000 that month from a one-time $16.99 investment. What? Okay. It's the high-ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model. The traditional grind fails, okay? Reviewing the number one high-ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model. That is the foundational, okay, wait, that's why I can't see this. Most people believe income is a direct result of time spent grinding. This is a fundamental lie, keeping the middle class in a state of permanent financial anxiety. You have been sold a model that requires you to work harder as you scale. It creates a high effort ceiling that keeps you broke. You are trading your most valuable asset, time, for a depreciating currency. High ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model. Escape the mechanical trap. If you want to escape the trap, you must stop treating your business like a job. You must start treating it like a mechanical engine. Okay? The high ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model is not a hobby. It is a digital infrastructure built for those who understand the value of leverage. You are finally ready to decouple your income from your labor. High ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model. Why affiliate volume is a lie. The affiliate industry is drowning in low tier garbage. Okay, you ever seen what smelled hot garbage in the summertime? Nasty smell, right? Nasty, attacks the rats, the vermin, the roaches. You've been sold a lie that volume is the path to wealth. You've been told to chase $20 commissions. While you chase pennies, the house built an empire on your back. That is not a business model, it's wage slavery simulation. High ticket affiliate lifestyle affiliate cash model, enduring your first strike. The high ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model is the first system I have vetted that respects the math of modern wealth. It removes the friction of manual selling. You replace it with a mechanical extraction process. The core of this model is the shift from hoping to sell to engineering a strike. You're moving from worker to extraction based operator. High ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model operating on sovereign land. Most affiliates are spinning their wheels on running land. They have no control over the funnel or the offer. They have no control over the conversion floor. When you adopt this model, you're plugging into a pre-built digital fortress. You aren't just an affiliate, you're a partner in a wealth extraction machine. High ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model, the roll-up engine advantage. I remember I showed you this right here. This right here. The 48-hour upgrade, right? Here's the big, huge button you cannot miss, okay? The number one advantage of this model is a roll-up engine. Traditional models keep you at the bottom, passing your value upward. The system does the exact opposite. It creates a vacuum effect where value stays with that qualified operator. You're finally building an asset that belongs to you. And I'm going to show you an example right here. Okay, I'm going to scroll down since we've already done this before. Okay, I think they have an example, okay, of how powerful the system is. Bear with me. Example, if your sponsor is qualified at the $500 bronze level and you want to join the 5,000 diamond level, then you will send $500 to your sponsor first because their level is the level of their qualification. Then you will send the difference of $4,500 plus an admin fee in one single payment to the admin. Okay, imagine now somebody joins you join at the $5,000 diamond level, okay, and somebody you get joins at the $500 bronze level, okay? And that person gets a $5,000 diamond level sale. They get $500, which is nothing to sniff at, and you get $4,500 and you did no work. What? Do I have your attention now? This is powerful, okay? You did no work. That person recruited and they got $500. They're happy, but you get $4,500 remaining of it, okay? Now tell me a system that does that, okay? I'll wait. High ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model, who the lead operator is. This model is for the operator, not the employee. If you're tired of chasing $20 commissions, you're in the right place. You understand that volume is a mathematical trap. You're ready to replace manual labor with automated extraction process. You value your sovereignty over a salary. Okay? This is, again, reviewing the #1 high-ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model. And I want to show you something. Oh, I think I showed you both. Okay? #1 video on YouTube. #2 video on YouTube. Okay? The channel is is ranked too. And then there's a video from 5 days ago. 4 assets on #1 on YouTube. 4 assets on the first page of YouTube. Okay. And then we're going to go to high ticket lifestyle and we're going to search for Google. Okay. I have 4 assets on Google first page. There's one from a day ago. There's a Badass Network article. Okay. The YouTube, here's another one, Premier 7.7, so about a couple days ago, right? And here's another article on the Badass Network, okay? And I'm going to show you this, just so you believe. It says JJ Solley, but I'm going to show you. Okay, there's my picture right there. There's Make Money On with JJ, 139 subscribers. So this is legit. You match this guy. I had a beard back then, yes. But I'm going to come out with part 2. And then again, this was reviewing the #1 high-ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model. This is JJ Solley, aka John Solley, aka your friendly neighborhood Solley man. Don't delay, get what you did today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.